food. Mr. Croc and Miss Bird. Mr. Croc and Miss Bird. Mr. Croc and Miss Bird. Mr. Croc has his usual big breakfast, but he has a big problem. His mouth does not always bear fresh. Miss Bird is very hungry, but she can't fly. How can I get food? Maybe Mr. Croc has something to eat. The next day, Miss Bird goes to Mr. Croc. Mr. Croc sees Miss Bird by the river. I'm going to eat you, Miss Bird. He opens his mouth wide. Hold on, I am just here to do something. Miss Bird isn't afraid of him. Snap! Mr. Croc shut his mouth. Why aren't you afraid of me? You are so upset now. I'll come again tomorrow. Miss Bird goes back. The next day, Mr. Croc sees Miss Bird. I am surely going to eat you. He opens his mouth wide. Hold on, I am looking for food. I hear that you have something to eat. Do I have something to eat? What? Anyway, I don't care. I am really going to eat you. Just then, he opens his mouth wide. Wow, there is a lot of meat in your mouth. The meat is hiding everywhere. Can I have some? Miss Bird enters Mr. Croc's mouth. I'm full. I can't eat anymore. My mouth appears fresh. Will you visit me tomorrow? Sure. Mr. Croc and Miss Bird become friends. Bye bye.